Okay, I just got word that 227 has clearance to do yard work between Powell and Moore and Manassas. So we're gonna go check that out. I've never heard of a train like that stopping on its route to, maybe it's unloading some cars for the yard, I don't know. Maybe they tagged something along that had to be delivered to Manassas and they thought 227 was a good fit for it, I don't know. But I'm gonna go check that out right now because that's exciting. Okay, I stopped at a traffic light. While I was stopped, I checked ATCS again. There's a portion of track that's purple on the map, which usually means out of service. So this section of track is out of service. I think what happened is 227 had an engine issue and parked his train in Bristow, blocking up that track, and then just took light power down to the yard. Because there's no way they can take a 100-car long intermodal all the way down to Powell and have any room for it at all. It would block traffic for quite a long way. So that's my hunch, and we're gonna see if that's correct. Okay, we're stopped for the time being at another red light. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Here, if you look at my ATCS map, we have a red line between Powell and Moore. It's in the yard on Main 2. It's occupying Main 2 right now. But that purple line there is between Nokesville and Bristow. And that's where he was parked a moment ago. So I would assume that that's his train that's tied down in that siding. So anyway, we're gonna find out. I'm almost positive that that's what that is. I'm looking forward to it because I heard that it has a UP leader, and I hope that they don't swap the UP leader out, but then the UP leader then gets to work the yard. So maybe, if it's not broken. So, all right, we'll see.
3, 2, exit. Correct on our 227.
As you can hear, they're coupling. Okay, here at Powell Yard in Manassas, I can see the UP leader that I saw on Facebook this morning. Excuse me. It is coupled to another lash up of 2, making a total of 4. And don't know what they're going to do next. The yard's very busy today. Sometimes it's not very busy at all. Sometimes it is. This looks busy to me. Okay, from up here on top of the little knoll, we can see a little better the UP power down there. See if I can get a number. 4377 and 9597 is coupled to that other one, 9542. And we're gonna see what happens next. I'm wondering which one's gonna lead. See, the thing is if UP had a problem up front, they'll turn this around here at this Y here in Manassas, and our 9542 will lead, and 9597 will be second. There's the number on the third one, 9720. And we have the 4377 over here. So I don't know. I haven't heard anything on the radio. I do know that what you had just heard in the truck when I was sitting there, 10, 5, 3, 2, 1, that was backing. I could see them backing the consists and hooking the 2 lash ups together. There's our employee again. Let's see if we can't see him again. Way down there. I'm gonna move up, I think, a little bit so I can see. It's a relatively cool day, but you can still see the heat waves.
Cut their train off on Main 1 in Bristow, and now they're up Main 2 down to Moore. I'm gonna leave him 30 hours until he starts his way back. I got 211 and 228 coming down the hill.
Dispatch just confirmed my hunch, and they are adding more power. Don't know if UP's still gonna lead or not. Not quite sure, we're gonna find out. Huh. So they only picked up one of them. I guess maybe they needed, here's what I'm thinking, is that maybe they didn't have enough power to get up Linden Grade, up on the B line, or maybe somewhere up in Pennsylvania when they get there. I don't know. All right, now am I seeing things? Let's zoom in with the camera here. I don't think I'm seeing things. I'm not. That's more right there. I can see more through the yard. That's kind of wild, just where I happen to be standing.
Indication south to Bristow, and we'll get you back against your train. Alright, I understand. 227 UP 4377, permission remain to Powell and permission reverse in block Powell and signal indication Powell down to Bristow against train. That is Roger, thank you. Here's 10 up.
Alright, as you heard there, 227 just got clearance to go back to Bristow to get his train and head on north. Good news, 4377 will in fact be leading, so we'll have foreign power all the way through the trip, it seems. So that's good. I was afraid they were going to turn around. They're doing a double check now, and then they're going to come on through.
Winding this back one down for you now. What's that new motor you added on your consist there? Alright, 95, 97, I got that. Appreciate it. No problem.
I seem to be having issues hearing 227, which is only right down the way. The thing about this is we're going to go down to Bristow as soon as he rolls through here. We're heading down to Bristow to see him couple up and leave. 211 and 228 are on the B line coming south/east now. They'll be here shortly, I think, I believe, let's see. ATCS says one of them, I can't remember, 12R, which we saw earlier, parked in the siding at Allison, 211 or 228, whichever, is passing it now on his way through. So, and then whichever other one is behind it, now coming through Delaplane. No, so not far away. So we'll get to see probably another two intermodals before we head out today. Good stuff. Okay, while we're waiting here for what seems like forever, we're gonna take a look at some of this extra power that's here sitting in this yard here. We have SD60I 6719, and we have SD42 3449. That's a pretty neat lash up, I like that. That's good stuff. It makes a great picture.
Diversion, approach, Powell.
Okay, I made it to Bristow. We just saw a train go through, and I'm not sure which one it was. Looks just like a regular yard job. All right, here comes our train. He's on its way. There's our consist. That's 227.
Hagerstown 227, UP 4377, over. 227, go ahead, Harold. You still on that UP 4377, over?
No, sir, we swapped in. We are on the NS 9597 now.
Alright, 227, 9597. After making the required stop at CP Bristow, you do have permission by the stop signal. Southbound, main 1 to main 1, looking out for your train ahead, over.
Alright, understand the 227 with the NS 9597. Once stopped, short of Bristow, has permission by the Bristow stop signal. According to the book rules to the south, NWTS with motion, looking out for our cars on the main 1, over.
That's your roger. Let me know when you're all swapped out and ready to go north.
Alrighty, understand. We'll holler at you. Appreciate it.
Thanks, guys. Hagerstown.
All right, they're going in looking out, and they're going to couple up right here to their train. All right, there's our bell. That's my cue.
About 4 to the hook there, 227. We're looking at it. 3 cars. 2 will do on that 227. Give me one more for the hook.
There's a train coming up behind me, and the scanner didn't say nothing. I'm wondering if it's 228. All right, 227 is doing good. They still have red signals. They have not asked for clearance yet. That will be coming very shortly. But they're doing their routine, their checks and everything. They're almost ready to go. 228 snuck right up behind me. I didn't hear it on this, or I mean I knew it was coming eventually. I didn't know which one was first, but it's here. It snuck up on me, almost bit me right on the seat meat. So 228's parked at Bristow. It's going to be coming through here at some point. I don't know who's waiting on who, but we shall see. So for now, we're going to point at 227 and watch. Why are the gates down? Okay, looking at ATCS. Okay, you can see where we are here. I'm gonna scroll this way. You see Nokesville, Bristow, South Manassas. That longer red line at South Manassas is 228. The purple line between Nokesville and Bristow is 227. 228 currently has clearance to go around 227, so probably he's gonna be going first. 227 scoots on past as soon as VRE, which is down right where the mouse is, see that? You can see where it says VRE. VRE's pulling in there, so maybe that's what's in the way. Anyway, just trying to figure it out as I go along. That's the best I can do. I am still, however, very, very perplexed as to why the signal gates are still down. There's no movement. Trains shouldn't be tripping it if it's not moving, you see. So that's how they're designed to work. They're designed to work so that if a train's parked within the circuit of the crossing, if it's parked and not moving, the gates will go back up. There's nothing moving. 228's parked, and 227's been tied down for a long time. So I don't know. Perplexing. There we go. They just went up. Yeah, that guy in the pink truck, he was getting very upset. All right, let's see. I heard a whistle.
Drop by 3227, UP 4377.
Roger, drop 3 from CO, UP 4377 on 227.
UP 4377, 227 over. 211 goes southbound by you. Get you moving, here in a little bit. He's by Wellington, so shouldn't be too much longer.
All right, I heard some murmuring from him. All right, 211 gets by. We'll see a departing signal. We thank you.
It is a Roger, sir. Thank you. Get your sign up.
All right, enjoy the rest of the afternoon.
Yeah.
All right, so I know there's not much light on me. Finally, 227 is waiting on one more train, 211. Currently by Wellington, coming down the last couple miles of the B line. Once he goes past, he'll have signal indication, and 227 can scoot on and get on their way. Until then, we're going to go ahead and cut out to save card space. Whoo boy, I'm eating it up today, I tell you.